The JMGO PicoPlay isn't just a mini projector. It's a complete 3-in-1 entertainment hub designed to transform any space into a vibrant, cinematic experience. Whether you're indoors for a cozy Netflix binge or outdoors for a starlit movie night, PicoPlay delivers stunning visuals, immersive sound, and dynamic ambient lighting in one sleek, ultra-portable package. Enjoy over 10,000 apps right out of the box, including native Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. With Google Assistant, you can control playback, adjust volume, or search content hands-free. Google Cast support lets you wirelessly stream from your phone with just a tap. No extra hardware needed. Multiple user profiles mean every member of the household can have their own personalized recommendations and app shortcuts. Whether it's a family movie night, solo study session with music, or an outdoor party, the PicoPlay adapts to your needs. JMGO's FlexiSmart technology eliminates setup hassles by delivering real-time autofocus, auto keystone correction, screen alignment, and eye protection, all in seconds. The 88 degrees rotating gimbal lets you freely adjust projection angles, while the customizable action button provides instant application access and personalized shortcuts. For vertical content lovers, the PicoPlay supports full-screen playback of TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, turning your wall into an oversized social media feed. The JMGO PicoPlay hits the sweet spot between portability, performance, and versatility. It's compact enough to fit in a backpack, yet powerful enough to deliver a truly cinematic experience anywhere. The combination of 1080p visuals, Dolby audio, mood lighting, and Google TV integration makes it more than just a projector. It's a lifestyle gadget for today's entertainment lovers. If you're looking for a projector that can go anywhere, set up instantly, and deliver both stunning visuals and immersive audio, the PicoPlay is the one to get. From bedroom binge sessions to outdoor movie nights, it's your ultimate vibe creator. JMGO PicoPlay Smart Portable Projector. Let vibe play. Back to school deal is live. Don't miss it.